Let's go, everyone! Today I'm super excited to unbox this Theragun Pro. So, smart therapy device. And just got this. Gonna unbox it. So, this is what it looks like. Use these, only have great things to say about them. Here we go. Oh, sorry, here's what the package looks like. Right, here's the back. It's a pretty beefy box, so takes up most of my table. So here's what the back looks like. Then here's what's included. So this case, we're gonna see all this in real life soon once I bust it out. Dang, 6 attachments. So this is a Pro model, latest one that came out, and yeah, wanted to get the top model for this. Let's go. Yeah, again, pretty beefy box. Packaging feels pretty nice. Here we go. Taking off the top. Yeah. This is a legit packaging. All right, we did it. That's what it looks like. All right, it looks like the carrying case. Yep, handle up here. Then, what is this? Maybe some, oh. All right, so. Little story over there. All right, so here's what's in here. Anything else underneath, or is this it? I think that's it. Yep, then that's it. Just some silica gel. So I'm gonna put this back. Oops. Let me put this in nicer. Oh. All right, so I'll start with this. All right, different accessories. So nice Ziploc bag. Oh. Ah. All right, charging base. So for the batteries, that's what it looks like. And then nothing too special here, just the charging cords. All right, we've been waiting for. The case, okay, it's sturdy case. Feels legit. Here we go. I'm gonna set this down. Ooh, there we go. This is it. The batteries. Oh, batteries must be under here. Yep, batteries under there. But here we go. This is how the Theragun Pro looks like. Dope, dope. So let me put this back here. Show you all this side. So the case has 2 batteries. Batteries and a, what is this? And some paper. some setup, all that good. Ooh, stickers, setup instructions, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Theragun Pro. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.